Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can change your default apps in your Lava smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. So friends, first you have to open your settings to change the default app. Now you have to just scroll down and you will see here it is applications or apps. Tap on here. Now you have to scroll down. You will see here it is default apps. From here you can choose this like browser app, digital assistant. Here it is phone call app. You can change the phone call app default. If you have two message app, you can change it. Browser, there are two, you can change it. And this is how you can change your default apps. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.